I usually have an answer to the question, but this time I'm gonna be quiet. This time, ain't nothing like the feeling of uncertainty, the eeriness of silence. This time it was so.
Guys, it's your boy, Braden YT here, or Shadow World, I keep forgetting. And today I'm doing an Apex pack opening with my friend here. He's gonna introduce himself in some time. Oh, wrong controller, I'm dumb. So, today, I'm going to be buying Apex packs and opening them. So, here we go. Alright, and then I'm gonna buy 3 of these. Look at that. Alright, here we go. Starting. Hold up, I need to turn my volume up on my TV. So far, I'm getting terrible stuff. Nothing good so far, really? New thing for Loba. Let's go. Okay, 22 packs left. So far, nothing too good. I mean, it's just stuff, really, mainly, so far. Oh, another 2 purples. Shoot. That was some good stuff, kinda. Oh, legendary. Oh, a finisher. Another purple. Here, I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see better. More crafting metals, yay. Another purple, jeez. I guess my luck was just at the end. Oh my gosh, another legendary. That's clean. Alright, now we're just gonna get some bad stuff. Maybe. I still have 11 packs. So far, some pretty good stuff. I mean, It's not the best, but still good. More crafting metals, that's good. Two more packs, hopefully they're good. Okay, bad. Alright, last but not least.
Last Apex pack.
Alright, yeah, that's
Gotta
my
make
friend.
it count.
Yeah. Ah, well, it was good. It was a good opening. Well, thank you guys for tuning in for today's thing. I know it was kind of boring, but at least I'm gonna get this.
I can't wait to just see like the
There we go,
I can't wait to
boys.
just watch this
Woo.
video and just like see.
Look at that.
But what about the speed demon? You don't have enough.
Alright, guys, thank you. See you in the next video.